The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Bell County in Central Texas, Corio County in Central Texas, McLennan County in Central Texas, until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:19 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Killeen, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Killeen, Gatesville, Temple, Belton, Salado, Youngsport, Fort Hood and Harker Heights. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties: Bell, Corio and McLennan. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for southern Bosque County in north-central Texas, southwestern Hill County in north-central Texas, northern McLennan County in north-central Texas, until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Waco, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. The tornado will be near Valley Mill around 4:40 p.m. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties: Bosque, Hill and McLennan. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Dallas County in north-central Texas, Kaufman County in north-central Texas, Rockwall County in north-central Texas, until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:28 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 12 miles southwest of Dallas, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Locations impacted include Dallas. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties: Dallas, Kaufman and Rockwall. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for Dallas County in north-central Texas, Ellis County in north-central Texas, Johnson County in north-central Texas, Tarrant County in north-central Texas, until 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:34 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Fort Worth, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: weather spotters reported funnel cloud. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Fort Worth, Arlington, Dallas, Irving, Grapevine and Haltom City. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties: Dallas, Ellis, Johnson and Tarrant. The National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a flash flood warning for Travis County in central Texas until 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:39 p.m. Central Daylight Time, law enforcement reported flash flooding ongoing across the county. Up to 3 inches of rain are expected in the next hour. Flash flooding is already occurring. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, law enforcement. Impact, flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding included Austin. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Travis, tornado emergency for the Eastern Metroplex. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for Dallas County in north-central Texas, Denton County in north-central Texas, Tarrant County in north-central Texas, until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a large and destructive tornado was located near Garland, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for the Eastern Metroplex. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Hazard, deadly tornado. Source, weather spotters confirm tornado. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely and complete destruction is possible. Locations impacted include Garland and Dallas. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. Take cover now.
Civil danger for the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Texas State Emergency Management and the National Weather Service. A large and violent tornado remains on the ground in northeastern Dallas County. For reasons yet unknown, this tornado has reversed direction and is now moving west-southwest at 35 miles per hour. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. Mass devastation has been reported in Garland and portions of northern Dallas, and this is expected to be the scene as far west as Fort Worth. To protect your life, seek shelter underground. Above-ground safe rooms have been severely damaged in this tornado, and taking shelter above ground will offer no protection.
Civil Authority has issued a civil emergency message for the following counties: Dallas TX, Terra TX, effective until further notice. Mass devastation following the extremely violent tornado today has left most areas in the central DFW metroplex impassable and without any source of emergency contact. The death toll is expected to be massive as large swaths of Dallas, Arlington, Fort Worth, and other cities were wiped from existence by the tornado. Stay tuned to local media for further information on this extremely dangerous situation.